Wow.
Like,
Look, I was
no dorsiflexion in either foot.
Yeah, I wear heels.
Oh. Yeah. Alright, hang on to the table. Damn, these things are stuck.
Ooh. Gotta get that booty in there.
Let me know if I hit any tender spots. Is that tender in there at all?
It just feels like it might need to move, but it's not actually really tender.
Is she cups?
That's Brian, he's on stim.
Stim nice, yeah.
Can you go turn the timer off? And then, does he know how to turn off the stem? Should I show
No, he
him?
doesn't know how to do any of that.
I'll show him. Get him doing some stuff.
Okay, better, but we'll do it again on Monday.
Okay.